Los Angeles is the second largest city in the U.S. As a world-renowned hub for culture, science, art, and international trade, it basks in sunshine year-round. It is home to the heart of the film industry, stretches of coastline, and diverse cultural communities, not to mention the world-famous Hollywood and the home arena of the NBA's Los Angeles Lakers. Yet as a core city on the U.S. West Coast, Los Angeles is often labeled as not quite a city. Some say it lacks the dense skyline of skyscrapers seen in New York, and even jokingly call it a giant rural area. What truth about this city lies behind these conflicting remarks? In today's video, we'll dive into Los Angeles to find out, is it really a vast rural area, or a bustling metropolis? Unlike other major cities where populations cluster and live in cramped spaces in the city center, Los Angeles's residents are spread out across different parts of the city. Downtown Los Angeles is indeed a global commercial hub, home to the city's government offices, banks, and business buildings. A dozen American-style skyscrapers stand here, grand, stylish, and full of modern flair. Interestingly, outside of downtown, most areas of Los Angeles are covered in single-story houses. The city's over 10 million residents live in neighborhoods made up of detached houses, small yards, and wide roads. Hundreds of these neighborhoods are neatly and densely arranged. From above, Los Angeles looks like a huge go-board. Of course, life in such a city is unthinkable without a car. In 2024, the number of registered vehicles in Los Angeles exceeded 10 million, roughly one car per person. This has earned Los Angeles titles like, the city with the most cars in the world, the city with the most advanced highway system in the world, and the most traffic-congested city in the world. Several major highways run through the city like arteries connecting countless smaller blood vessels, and the extensive network of roads is truly breathtaking. This Los Angeles is by no means an unremarkable rural area. Instead, it interprets another form of metropolis in a more sprawling way. Beyond its developed industry and finance sector, Los Angeles is famous for Hollywood, the kingdom of film, located in the northwestern suburbs. The 15-meter-tall Hollywood sign has stood on the hillside for a full 100 years since 1923, and is now one of America's top 10 iconic landmarks. The Hollywood Walk of Fame, in particular, is a must-visit for global tourists. Its sidewalks are inlaid with 2,815 brass stars, each representing an individual who has contributed to the entertainment industry, including actors, directors, and musicians. Since the first stars were unveiled in 1960, this walk has become a symbol of film culture. On the Walk of Fame stands the famous TCL Chinese Theater, originally named Grauman's Chinese Theater. Though renamed due to a brand partnership, its oriental architectural style has been preserved to this day. Nearly 200 sets of handprints, footprints, and signatures of celebrities have been left in the square in front of the theater since 1927. Another theater worth mentioning is the Dolby Theater, the venue for the Academy Awards, Oscars, ceremony. The lampposts here are engraved with the names of films and stars that have won Oscars over the years, radiating eternal glory. Beyond the Oscars, it also hosts global premieres for many blockbuster movies. Of course, Universal Studios Hollywood is also world famous. Once a Hollywood film studio in the last century, it has now transformed into the world's largest film-themed amusement park. Here, you can experience the stunning grand scenes from many classic films firsthand, witness realistic film shooting scenarios such as plane crashes, floods, and explosions, and even learn about the film production process. When Hollywood became America's cultural center, numerous writers, musicians, and movie stars began purchasing properties in the nearby Beverly Hills. Today, Beverly Hills holds the title of the world's most exclusive residential area, a symbol of wealth and fame. It is home to the world's most upscale shopping streets and luxury villa complexes. The world's most beautiful and expensive mansion, worth $500 million, is located in the Bel Air neighborhood within Beverly Hills. To get a complete bird's-eye view of this wealthy and sprawling city, a visit to the Griffith Observatory near the Hollywood sign is a must. As one of the world's most famous observatories and an iconic landmark of Los Angeles, it features a white exterior with a circular dome. Inside, multiple exhibition halls display planet models and explain telescope principles. The Samuel Oskin Planetarium also shows starry sky-themed films daily. In addition to its cultural charm, Los Angeles is a beautiful and dazzling coastal city. With a mild climate and pleasant weather year-round, it is surrounded by mountains on 3 sides and borders the Pacific Ocean on one side, boasting a coastline of over 130 kilometers. The famous Highway 1 runs through here, winding along the U.S. West Coast for 1,000 kilometers from Los Angeles to San Francisco. Known as one of the most beautiful highways in the world, it offers views of the vast Pacific Ocean on one side and steep cliffs on the other. Naturally, such a beautiful coastline has given rise to many famous beaches in Los Angeles, with Santa Monica Beach being the most prominent. This 3.5-mile stretch of golden sand is famous for its clean sand, clear water, and well-equipped facilities. With sunny weather year-round, it is a top choice for both tourists and locals looking to relax. Near the pier stands the iconic End of Route 66 sign, a pilgrimage site for road trip enthusiasts and a filming location for movies like Forrest Gump. The beach offers a variety of activities. The area near the pier is the liveliest, where impromptu volleyball games are often held. The area near the Annenberg Beach House, a 10-minute walk north, is quieter, ideal for those looking to escape the crowds and enjoy some solitude. The seawater temperature remains between 15 to 20 degrees Celsius year-round, making it perfect for swimming and surfing, especially in summer. Muscle Beach, located on the northern part of the beach, is an open-air fitness area. Fitness enthusiasts train here regularly, and small bodybuilding competitions are occasionally held, making it a unique sight on the beach. Angelenos love sports, and the city is home to many large sports venues: Dodger Stadium, a baseball stadium and the home of the Los Angeles Dodgers, and Staples Center, now Crypto.com Arena, a venue for basketball and ice hockey, and the home of the Los Angeles Lakers. Even more excitingly, Los Angeles hosted the Olympic Games in 1932 and 1984, and will host this global event for the 3rd time in 2028. The whole world is waiting to see how this City of Sunshine will continue its sports legacy. Los Angeles is a city with distinct characteristics. Its unique urban structure, diverse culture, abundant sunshine, and a relaxed, healthy lifestyle have collectively engraved Los Angeles's unique urban identity. It may not fit people's stereotypical image of a metropolis, but in its own way, it has become the much-coveted City of Sunshine for countless people.